Hello, welcome everyone to Towheed Tech. I'm here with a brand new video again. In today's video, I'm going to show you the DJI Air 2S drone. This is the Fly More Combo Pack. I bought this one a month ago and I already unboxed. I did not have chance to make unboxing video. So I'm going to make a video today, but it's not unboxing video, but I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and I will show you some information on my computer screen as well, why I did bought DJI Air 2S for my vlogging setup. So let's further ado, I'll open up the box. I have packed everything that it was the way when I bought very first time. So if you unbox this upper part of the box, you will see the bag like that inside. So because I already opened up, I did not pack everything the way it was. So inside the box you will get some user manual, some booklets like that. Inside this box you will get some cables, and there's a few extra propeller which I haven't used yet, and there's a cable to use with your Android phone and with your iPhone. I have one cable connected already with the controller, which is I'm using USB-C to USB-C for my Samsung S22 Ultra. There's a few pairs of extra propeller, so there's like 4 of them, 2 for front and 2 for the back, and there's an anti-filter. I haven't got chance to use this one yet. So this one is an anti-filter inside for different lighting conditions. Now I'm going to open the bag. The bag is just like that inside the box when you buy the brand new drone. So that's quite heavy duty bags in there. So inside the bag you will get a charging plug and the adapter just like that, and you will get a battery charging hub just like that one. So you can put the power plug in here and you can charge 3 battery. So this one is the actual drone. So I bought this cover myself from AliExpress, so just to make look tidy and to save the propeller from damaging. So put that on the side. There's a controller here, and there's 2 extra batteries because I bought as a combo pack. So the combo pack come with the 3 batteries and a few extra propeller, and so you take this tiny stick out and you can plug in here. And you can connect your phone inside here, and there's a cable already connected because I'm using the Samsung S22 Ultra. I use this cable USB-C to USB-C to connect that one here. So the controller have their own battery inside, so you can charge with the USB-C cable already provided with the box. And this one is the actual drone. This one DJI Air 2S. So let's open this. So I bought this cover and few extra accessories afterward after buying the drone. So you can buy this one on eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress. Is very cheap to buy. It's a couple of pound in there, 2-3 pound, or it's depend the quality of the item. Is quite cheap. It's reliable and quite handy to protect your drone. So this one actually drone. So the upper legs open just like that, and then the back one you have to turn around just like that. When you have to fly the drone, you have to check the battery status here. You can see there's 2 bars and 1 blinking bar here, so that's not fully charged. So you can change the battery. Just hold on here and just see the button on both sides. You just push it inside and take it out, and you can replace the different battery in there, and you can So this one is actual DJI Air 2S. This one have the gimbal protector cover on as well. So I'll take this one out and I'll show you. So this DJI Air 2S drone have 1-inch camera sensor which is 20 megapixel. So the reason of buying this drone for my vlogging setup, because they have a 4K capability of 1-inch sensor will with a wider lens you can capture more details with a 4K video quality. And this one on the side I have put my own my operator ID. In the UK, if you're flying a drone, you must need a operator ID and a flying ID. So you have to stick the ID number on your drone, and you have to wear ID card just like that one. So you have a flyer ID. You always wear this one and keep it with you. Operator ID you have to stick on your drone, just in case if you lost a drone, or if somebody checking you, they can identify you with this number. Drone, there's a 8 gigabyte memory. You can record your video or take a photo inside the drone memory, which is only 8 gigabyte. So I use a separate memory card. On the left side there's a memory card slot in here. I use 32 GB memory card, ScanDisk Extreme, so I use that one. Front sensor, up sensor, and back sensor, and the down sensor. So I did buy some extra accessories I would like to show you as well. So I bought few of the item from AliExpress. It's quite cheap. I bought this one for £10. And this one is a propeller protector, and I did not use yet, but I did buy just in case I'm flying my drone in a tree line, so I can put that propeller protector on just in case my drone hit any tree or any object in there, so that don't not damage the propeller. But keep in mind, if I'm using this propeller protector with my drone, it will increase the weight of the drone, and the battery timing of the drone will be less than the usual. So it is lightweight, it's very lightweight, but still add some weight to the drone while we are using this. So I have another next item. I use this item for, is like a spider legs. See, you can, if you are landing your drone to grass or a dusty area, so you see the back legs is too short and the front leg is too big. So while you are landing your drone, will all the dust go to the propeller motors in there. To keep it safe, I use that one in here. So let me show you. That will just connect just like that. That is specially for DJI Air 2S. So as you can see now, when you are landing to different surfaces, actual drone do not touch the surface, only the legs gonna touch it. It is very lightweight, but I will also add some weight to the drone, and it will affect the battery timing, but is because it is very lightweight, it do not affect too much. And the next item I would like to show you is, I did not even open up. So this one is a transmitter signal booster antennas. So you can put that one on your controller to get more. You can just put it just like that and increase your signal. You can boost your signal just because inside that bit there's an antenna to receive and transmit the signal from the controller to the DJI drone. So you can just put your extra transmitter extender in here just like that, and you can use it if you are flying furthermore. So just to increase a little bit of your transmission in there. So let me take you to my computer screen and I will show you some more information regarding DJI Air 2S. So this camera capable of taking 5.4K videos, because this one have a 1-inch camera sensor. So, and also this drone have a 12 kilometer of full HD transmission capability, and have optical sensing in 4 direction, up, down, front, back, and they have a ADS-B air sensor as well. So guys, I hope you like my DJI Air 2S drone video, and you know why I bought this drone, because have a more range and battery timing, and along with the 1-inch camera sensor. So if you like my video, please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech, and we'll see you in next video.